allowing parents to choose if they will send their children to school with face coverings. Just within the last few hours during an emergency meeting, the Caldwell County School Board voted unanimously to accept the recommendations of its superintendent and go mask optional starting a week from next Monday. But with the recent surge in cases, they started requiring all students to wear masks inside schools. The board says the move will coincide with the changes made to the Strong Schools NC Toolkit, which starts on the 21st. Big changes are coming to the classroom when it comes to COVID. The updated Safe Schools Toolkit from DHHS moves away from contact tracing. Richard Devane explains what this all means for your children.
Yeah, good afternoon. There's a change that's affecting all schools here in North Carolina. Contact tracing gone. As for masks, well, they're going to hang around for a while.
The toolkit from the State Department of Health and Human Services recommends that schools no longer require students and school employees to stay home after an exposure unless they've tested positive or show symptoms. They say individual contact tracing and exclusion from school of asymptomatic people after a known exposure is no longer recommended statewide. Basically, students exposed to COVID-19 who don't show any symptoms will be allowed to stay in the classroom, but masks will remain at least for now. The toolkit still recommends that districts in high areas of COVID-19 spread have a universal masking rule in place for everyone older than 2, and that schools can consider moving to mask optional when COVID-19 spread is defined as moderate or low by the CDC.
Certainly places that, keep a positivity rate in the 20s should consider masking, mandatory masking, in my opinion. I think, when we get a positivity rate that's down below 10%, we're in a lot better place than we are right now.
As for here in Mecklenburg County, the health director may get rid of mask mandates as early as next week. Of course, if he does, then CMS will probably follow suit. We're here in Charlotte. Richard Devane for WCNC Charlotte.